Hello everyone, my name is Daniel and we are here in Tulip's Boston headquarters, and together with DMG MORI we are showcasing our cooperation, and we would like to show you Tulip in CELOS X. CELOS X is DMG MORI's new next generation cloud native machine HMI which runs Tulip integrated into it. With that, together with DMG MORI, we are offering to the market a next generation CNC machine that is featuring Tulip, a composable no-code platform integrated into it, powered by a library with integrated Copilot functionality. Here today I have Stuart Looper with me, who is going to talk to us a little bit more about how Tulip fits into the overall strategy of DMG MORI. Stuart, could you please tell us more?
Thank you, Daniel. So my name is Stuart Looper. I'm a software specialist with DMG MORI's TEC software group here in the US. And for us, DMG MORI's strategy is to deliver machining transformation, or MX as we call it, to our customers. And digitalization, or digital transformation, is an important and fundamental part of the MX strategy. CELOS X here is DMG MORI's new integrated software platform for not only operating the machine tool, but also managing it and integrating it into other systems. So it's a user-friendly interface between the operator, managers, digital systems, and on it, we have different apps that are available to support the manufacturing process, from planning to production to monitoring and service. And so the goal is to streamline processes and improve efficiency in a modern manufacturing environment. So Tulip app integration specifically is an important part of CELOS X. Each customer's production site has different systems and different operational needs, and with Tulip, we can not only integrate things like guidance workflows, process control, and productivity monitoring for the machine as it arrives, but through deployment of Tulip, in not only the machine, but in other aspects of a customer's business, the customer can create their own apps and integrate the machine through user-generated apps. So this gives our customers excellent digital flexibility and integration for every single machine.
Thank you so much, Stuart. Allow me very quickly to double down a little bit on how and what we are delivering here exactly. As said, every CELOS X machine will come pre-commissioned with a set of Tulip applications which can be sorted into two distinct categories. One of the apps are going to be the so-called guidance applications, which will help the users, the machine operators, go through complex and complicated machine processes in a very easy and traceable and trackable way, making an otherwise complicated process and streamlining it and simplifying it. The other set of applications features the so-called daily operations or shift management applications that will allow the user to basically digitize their communication and their processes on and around the machine. And with that, what we are delivering together with DMG MORI is a product that will allow and empower the user to use their machine in an easier and more efficient way, and with extended spindle hours.